Morning students. Today we will be starting with a new chapter, that is statistics. These chapters we have mean, median and mode, and you have done these chapters, this part mean, median, mode in class 8 and 9. So today we will do more details. First we go for the mean. The mean is that they have three methods, that is the direct method, shortcut method, and one is the step deviated method. Okay, or it is called assume mean method. Here I have written the shortcut for method formula. A is for assume mean method. Assume mean plus summation fi di by summation fi. And here the step deviated I have written what? Summation A plus means assume mean plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. This we are might be having that confusion that what is this fi ui di. When you do the sums will be more clear to it. Now one thing you have to make, that class interface means what? Sorry, class mark. It will be class mark. Here class mark is that upper class plus lower class divided by 2. Now I have written one example, one question. Find mean by direct method, shortcut method and step deviated method. Here that question is given like this, will be the question will be given, the table given. Now I have written what in the heading, direct method. Direct method is the nothing that what is given, you have to just multiply and find the sum. Same thing, see, classes is given over here. Class mark, see class mark, what I have done, class mark means what? Upper class plus lower class divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. That if we add up, we will get that 87. Now again 96 plus 90 plus 96 divided by 2 will become 93. Now you can see that there is a gap of what? See, 6. Now add up 6, see 99, add up 6, 105, add up 6, it is coming 111. When you do this part, 108 plus 114, you will see that 222 is coming. If you divide by 2, that is coming 111. Okay, the same method we just follow it. Once you get the y, it will be added to y, I will add 6, as because here the class gap is given what? 6. If it is given 5 gap, it will be added 5 over here. Okay, next we come across the frequency is given already in the question, that is the frequency given over here. And now we have to multiply fi ui. That means what? That class marks is only the ui, that is ui fi and 2 into ui, that is coming, see the value is coming all multiplying. Now summation fi ui is coming 4902 and frequencies is what? Summation fi is 50. Now the formula of the mean is what given? Mean shortcut we done on x bar also. Next fi ui by fi x summation fi. So what is the value given? I have written the value from here only and taken the value. After dividing we are getting 98.04. Next we come across with the shortcut method. Now shortcut method, see, you will see that in the shortcut method 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 columns are there. Okay, shortcut method 5 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The same thing, classes ui is a class mark. Now is coming di means what? ui minus a. Okay, now it is coming fi and fi into di. Now class mark we already you have done in the previously the same method we will follow. Now fi di equals to ui minus a. ui means what is the ui? Now you have to find out from any assume mean method. See, from here how many numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here you can take any of the a value. I've taken a value as 99. You can take a value as 93. You can take 105 or you can take 111. Any value you can take, that is called the assume mean method. That means what? I've taken a equals to 99. when you do live classes, I will show you with a different value, but the answer will come the same thing. Here I have taken a with a equals to 99. Now from here a I have written over here. Now 97 minus 99 is coming minus 12. 93 minus 99 is coming minus 6. Now see 0 again, it is coming 6. If you subtract this one, it will come 6, it will come 12. See, once you see this minus 12 6, once you come 0, then automatically here the value will come plus 6 and here the come will plus 12. Okay, next we come across that frequency is given in the book, you have written in the here only. Now the last column is that fi into di, fi into di, fi into di, minus 12 into 8 is 96, minus 6 into 2 is minus 22, 0 into 15 0, 6 into 10 60, 12 into 5 is 60. Now I have written what, after doing this one all calculations, summation fi and di is coming minus 48 and summation fi is coming 50. Now from here x bar is equals to what is given, the formula we have done, a plus summation fi di by summation fi equal. Now we put the value. After putting the value, we'll see that 99.09 minus 0.96 equals to 98.01. Okay. Next, we come across the step deviated method. This method also, just now I've told, it is coming compared. The last method was having how many columns? You have to keep in mind 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now from here classes, class mark, di up to di and up to fi is all same. Okay, all same. You see this one, and if we compare this one also, all are same only, there is no changes. Only is changes is that ey equals to di by 6. I mean di by 6, as because height, our height here is 6. Why height is 6? As because the gapping between two class intervals is coming 6. If it is given 5, you have to divide by 5 only. Okay, why? Always you try to choose to do with this step deviated method. It is very easy to find it out, as because see the value is coming more small. See, direct method is bigger, then it is coming a little bit smaller. It's coming in the shortcut method. Now the value is coming more smaller, means more shorter, and the calculation will be more easy to do it. That is the step deviated method. For this purpose, what I am doing, divide by 6 ey you have got, di you have got what, minus 12. Minus 12 by 6 will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now you multiply. After multiplying fi into ey, that means 8 into 2 is minus 16, 12 into minus 1 is minus 12, 15 into 0 is 0, 10 into 1 is 0, and 5 into 2 is 10 into 1 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10. After calculating, see, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 minus 12 is what coming, plus 8, and 16, 8 minus 16 is coming minus, that is minus 8. Okay, now you put the formula, that you know the formula, that is the formula is given, a equals a plus fi ui by fi summation fi into h. Now you put the value. After putting the value, see, the answer is also coming same. Okay, I hope you have understood. Any doubt, any confusion, we will be discussing more about these things in the live classes. Till then, have a nice day.